Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about MCQs on rheology. So let's begin. Question is, flocculated suspensions exhibit the flow of a type dilatant, Newtonian, plastic, pseudoplastic. So the correct answer is plastic. The next question is, a limitation that is not related to the following sphere viscometer is applicable to only less viscous liquid, large volume of sample is required, needs the sample to be transparent, or plug flow. So the correct answer is plug flow. It is not related to following sphere viscometer. Next question is, in general, Newtonian fluids are expressed in terms of viscosity. A corresponding expression in non-Newtonian fluids is apparent, dynamic, intrinsic, kinematic. So the correct answer is apparent. The next question is, one of the following is not a one-point viscometer but can be used for the same purpose. Pick the viscometer of this type. So cup and bob, falling sphere, Oswald, rolling ball. So the correct answer is cup and bob viscometer. The next question is, fluidity is a term associated with Newtonian fluids. An equivalent term in the plastic flow fluids is apparent viscosity, flexibility, mobility, plastic viscosity. So the correct answer is mobility. Question is, dilatant flow is characterized as a reverse phenomena of Newtonian flow, plastic flow, pseudoplastic flow, or rheoplexy. So the correct answer is pseudoplastic flow. The next question is, deflocculated suspension with high concentration of dispersed solid exhibits the flow of the type dilatant, Newtonian, plastic, pseudoplastic. So the correct answer is dilatant. The next question is, in antithexotrophy, the down curve is frequently positioned to left, origin, right, superimposable. So the correct answer is right. The next question is, at equilibrium, the thexotropic behavior of a pseudoplastic system exhibit the state of gel, paste, sol, or wax. So the correct answer is sol. The next question is, which of the following physical property is not a rheological property? Body and slip, spreadability, surface tension, viscosity. So the correct answer is surface tension. It is not a rheological property. The next question is, the pseudoplastic flow behavior can be explained by apparent viscosity, area of hysteresis loop, or yield value. So the correct answer is apparent viscosity. The next question is, Brookfield viscometer is an example of type cone and plate, extrusion, rotating sphere, rotating spindle. So the correct answer is rotating spindle. Next question is, high viscosity indicates one of the following relationships in a system. Which is relevant? Free from intermolecular interactions. Intermolecular attractions are stronger. Intermolecular attractions are weaker. Shape of the molecule is spherical. So the correct answer is intermolecular attractions are stronger. The next question is, an emulsion of type oil and water type has the viscosity greater than that of the internal phase, greater than that of the vehicle, less than that of the internal phase, less than that of the vehicle. So the correct answer is greater than that of the internal phase. Creep testing is applied to analyze the viscoelastic property of emulsions, lotions, ointments, or suspensions. So the correct answer is ointments. The next question is, the system that undergoes gel to salt transformation is known as elastic, permanent deformation, shear thickening, shear thinning. So the correct answer is shear thinning. The next question is, the type of viscosity specified in IP, or we can say in Oswald viscometer, is absolute viscosity, dynamic viscosity, kinematic viscosity, or viscosity coefficient. So the correct answer is kinematic viscosity. The next question is, After giving the intramuscular injection of procaine penicillin G, the process of forming a depot in the muscle is due to high yield value, low consistency, low yield value, rapid thixotropic recovery. So the correct answer is rapid thixotropic recovery. Question is, pick the reason for calibration of an instrument. Most of the instruments are not reliable. To calculate the constant for the instrument, to calculate the relative property, to correct the errors in the working of the instrument. So the correct answer is to correct the errors in the working of an instrument. The last question for this video is, plug flow is not observed in cone and plate viscometer. The reason is, cleaning and filling of sample is easy. Rate of shear is independent of the radius. Shear can be maintained uniformly. Temperature can be maintained uniformly. So the correct answer is shear can be maintained uniformly. That's all for now. Thank you.